go! Go!
Yay! You stop!
3, 2, 1, fight!
I think the power of hair is trapped.
Yeah.
It's the hair,
Shall we reset and try that one again? 3, 2, 1, go! What happened? This one was working brilliantly. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So we can watch that spin for 48 seconds, or we can put it to an audience phone.
Well,
Right, everybody.
I got this one side.
We'd like a round of applause for one new like. 3, 2, 1, fight! One, go! Right, I'm getting the feeling a lot went wrong there.
Yeah. I don't know why it's
They've all got stage fright, these robots. I've seen them working perfectly, and then nothing now. Right, so we'll reset, we'll have another go. Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this is a match now. Look at that.
Oh, it's probably because it's pulling on the terminal. I just like kind of.
It's working less well than I
Hurry up. Just work.
Less well, yeah.
Yeah, look, it doesn't work.
So, we ready? 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh! We got a nice squeaking noise.
Yeah, they've got to stop pushing, aren't they?
Hey.
Yeah.
Right, shall we, we'll reset that one.
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1, fight! I'm going to try and get that noise across the microphone so more people can hear it. It's quite an interesting noise, though. Right, we'll reset. This is the third reset, and then we're going to an audience vote, but I'll try and get the noise. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Nope.
Right, fantastic. So, yeah, no result, but a very good noise, and they both moved, which is a bonus. Right, so for, if we can hear your applause for Jet Fighter. You've got no chance now. And John Cena Steamer. I don't even need to, but yeah, you still like it. Right, give me a minute while I see how this affects the.
I like it writing full names out.
Yeah. Right, so are we ready to battle? Yeah, excellent. 3, 2, 1, fight. Excellent, right, okay, we're ready? 3, 2, 1, fight. Oh, that that was the closest thing we've had to a match so far. So reset and try again. Oh, a bit's fallen off, but that means nothing in this competition. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Sounding confident then. 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh. Again. Right, we're going to try this one a third time. You've had to do a lot more deciding in this than I thought you would have, to be honest. I mean, it could all change. It could be a massive competition in this one, but I'm guessing that you're going to be voting in a minute. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Nice catch!
Oh, look at the engineer. Stop. I'm in charge. You can't just do what you want.
We want to fight now!
Right, because you're so keen. 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh.
How long is that?
Right, so what do you reckon to your opposition?
Oh, I think like, I might need to be twisted a bit just in case, like, if we go straight forward, if that goes off to the side, it might be able to knock it straight off the table if it hits on the side of here.
A lot of tactics there. What do we reckon?
I feel like based I prepare that something's going to fall off.
You know, and then it'll tip over that couldn't it?
We'll see.
Could happen. Are we both ready? Right. 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, jet fighter, can he do it? Yes! Fantastic work from jet fighter there. So we've seen some good action from both of these robots. What do you think your chances are?
I don't know, I feel like I'm going to be overwhelmed if I'm trying.
Overwhelmed. Don't be overwhelmed. I mean, look what you're playing for.
Yeah, I feel like
It's not.
oh no, something watching it today. I don't know what's going on.
Right, are we ready on this side? What do you reckon your chances are?
Not winning.
Not winning. It's not the kind of confidence we want, but you know, at least you're being honest.
It's not even mine.
It's not even yours. Oh,
I
right.
actually don't bring it. But I don't want to.
Sam, just make sure you touch it.
Right. Okay. So anyway, we're both ready. Yeah. Excellent. 3, 2, 1, fight. Oh.
You stopped me, yeah, well done.
It is stopping it.
Shall I just move it a bit?
Shall we have a reset and a rematch, yeah?
Alright.
Right, we're ready? 3, 2, 1, fight! Excellent, right, are we ready?
I actually want to say that I should give him the win because he actually did touch me. I don't know.
Well,
One more time.
yeah. Right, we'll have one last match, see what happens, yeah? 3, 2, 1, fight! So it's another action-packed match.
One more try.
So I think, no, that's it. 3 tries is all we get. So I think you're right, man. I think this Dinosaurus car, even though I don't want it to go anymore because I don't like saying it, is going to have to be winner of that one. Right. So what do we think of this matchup? What do you think?
I like the spring on his, that's all.
It is a good spring. It's very pleasing to look at. What do you reckon your chances are against Mrs. Hogg?
Good.
We're closing at 4.
No.
He's telling me good, I think. Yeah, we ready? Right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Stop touching him. That was definitely the winner though. Right, the winner of that round definitely was Mrs. Hogg. So Turgeon was fantastic. Got 2 big hitters now. This should be a battle for the ages. What do we think? You feeling confident?
Yes.
Yes. What about you feeling confident? You've got your game face on.
Yeah.
Yeah. You chilly.
Anyway,
Right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Stop pushing. What a battle! So, what do we reckon?
Yeah, I'm really impressed with that using something kinetic rather than using like a rotor and stuff.
Yeah, we like the wind-up part of it. Right, are you confident?
Yes.
Yes, he said yes this time. Didn't just freeze. Are we both ready? 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, look at this. Mrs. Hogg exploded, the wheel came off, a gun came off. I can definitely say that was a defeat for Mrs. Hogg. So, we're both ready? Yeah? 3, 2, 1, go! That's a bit upset. I don't think we can have that. I think we'll have to restart and try again. You ready for a restart? Right, okay, let's just get this one wound up. Dinosaurus car. It's lost its dinosaur though. So I should really just be able to call it car now. So Sparks Fireball versus car. Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's not looking good for car. Beautiful. Right. Got a little bit mean at end where you just start putting it on the table. You've already won. Whoa! Excellent. Right. So the finalists: Jet Fighter versus Sparks Fireball. Them's the plates.
Come on, Matt, you can do it now, then.
Right, so this is it. This is the final. It's the big one. What do you reckon? You nervous?
I don't think so. I've beat her once. I think I might be able to beat her.
Fighting words. What do we think? Have you got a chance? Definitely. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Fight. 3, 2, 1, go!
You're not doing that wrong technique on me. Don't touch it,
This is a very tense match. We've got 40 more seconds of this.
I think we're off to start over.
Oh, the tail.
You can hardly speak, the tension is unbearable.
I think we might have to restart.
Hey, I'm with Bob.